My experience of working at Nacro has been really good. Got a lot of support from management, the team, the staff, all lovely. I'd say the biggest project that we work on that we are proud of is CAS 2, but also our supported housing schemes as well. It makes me proud to know that I'm making a difference in the world and we are housing people who need it the most in our society across the nation. I feel proud to be in a well-functioning team. We perform at such a high level and we're sort of like the roots sort of starting position. So landlords would come to us, we go to landlords and we try to bring new acquisitions and new properties. So we make sure the compliance is in place, the leases, the legal side. We make sure that we meet our contractual obligations with the Ministry of Justice. So there is quite a lot of things that go into it. I'd say the biggest challenge would be the current housing market. It can be quite difficult to find properties that not only meet the requirements but are also suitable for our tenants. We have higher standards that we want our tenants to feel comfortable in. We want our tenants to be in a healthy and safe environment, feel like they are also part of a community as well. We want the communities that they go into to also feel safe.
Describe Nacro in one word.
Inspiring.